Hey guys, a video on Intel. I need to think what this one is doing because it's giving not really a structure here. It's just grinding to the upside. I still want to give it the preparation of labeling it a fifth wave in a wave one that is now, looking to be complete. But then, volume keeps being high here, and we have today, lower volume than in here and lower volume than in here. That makes sense if you want to label this as a fifth wave, higher high on lower volume. But here locally it keeps increasing now again. If we look at the previous few days. So the question is just when will I shift to this? And that we're already in this third, which is the more direct bullish scenario. We also now, by the way, on the daily invalidated a bearish divergence here locally. We just broke higher on the RSI. On the weekly, we're not there yet, but maybe this week we'll do it. But here you can see also the volume more clear. That's one thing, okay? If you want to know, are we already in a larger move to the upside? We want volume to spike higher than it was here, okay? Of course, if you still have no position and you want to buy it, then you're a sitting duck, kind of, now. Because risk is high that it can correct, yes. But if market is too bullish, it can also just go. And we can't confirm this until we see volume increase on the weekly. But when we see that, it is already too late to buy. So do you get what I'm saying? For me, it's easier to stay calm now because I have positions from here. For me, I don't care if it drops. It may drop, then I can add a little bit, but I'm not adding now. I'm waiting for, if it drops, then I can add to my position. But that's me. Of course, it's more difficult if you don't have a position and you want to enter. Ideally, you want to enter without having red days following. But now, currently, the risk is still high for that. Another way to know that we're already in the larger third is let me think because I haven't prepared really the video, but is this. We have tomorrow after close the earnings, okay? I have read something about Intel being already sold out for this whole year on processors. If they say something like that and that they will then increase prices, which would increase revenue for next year, for example, or for the, I don't know if it's going to be quarterly based or yearly based, what they are projecting. Regardless, tomorrow is going to be important what they deliver on the report, earnings report, but then also if they say something, some projections, some news, okay? If this then will drop the price, maybe it may be a catalyst that starts this wave too. But if tomorrow price stays green and after close with the earnings news it's pumping, probably we will get the volume as well, and then I will have to shift towards putting this wave 1 here, this wave 2 here, this wave 4 here, this wave 5 here, okay? Like we already discussed before as well, but just because this wave 2 here was longer, I prefer this extended wave 4 here as well. But with doing this adjustment, we could also shift this like this and count this wave 1 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a diagonal here. It really is actually possible to do that. It's contracting here. Would make sense, but again, sometimes you are in between two scenarios and you can't, you have to give possibility to both. And you have to be patient. If you want to enter, you have to be patient to have a better entry opportunity than this, okay? I hope this makes sense to you, what I'm saying. So watch tomorrow evening and watch the volume, especially after tomorrow and then, the opening on Friday. That will, I think, decide this weekly and the scenarios that we are in. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you and see you next time. Bye bye.